Picture this: a world where creating wealth is not just a far off fantasy, but a tangible reality for every single person, no matter their background or circumstances. A world where the masses, particularly women and a select group of extraordinary men, possess the tools and the mindset to generate a wealth building legacy that transcends generations. That's the world I am determined to help create, and that's why I stand before you today, ready to challenge a pervasive belief that has held us back for far too long. For far too long, we've been fed the notion that the secret to building wealth lies solely in saving money. But let me pose this question: how many individuals do you know who have achieved true wealth simply by saving? The harsh reality is that saving alone is insufficient. It's an essential piece of the puzzle, but it's not the complete picture. The belief that saving is the ultimate solution to financial success is outdated and limiting. It's time for us to embrace a new perspective, one that empowers us to take control of our financial destinies. So, what does it truly take to create wealth? It begins with a simple yet profound question: do you believe you are worthy of abundance? Have you taken the time to delve deep into your passions, your purpose, and your pursuits in life? Do you have a clear plan to transform those dreams into a tangible reality? You see, people do what they desire and they allocate their money towards what they truly want. It's a matter of desire and intentionality. To achieve financial success, we must harness the power of our desires and implement change through firm, decisive actions. I speak from personal experience when I say that this mindset shift holds immense power. There was a time in my own life when I was consumed by excuses, blaming my circumstances and my background for my lack of progress. But then I made a conscious decision. I refused to let those excuses hold me back any longer. I began to create what I wanted to see in myself, my family, and my community. I focused on what was missing and what I yearned to bring into existence. And that's when everything changed. That's when I began to see the true potential for wealth creation in my life. This isn't just my personal experience, it's backed by research. Psychology today has shown that both men and women struggle to develop a true, empowering relationship with wealth. We've been conditioned to view money through a lens of scarcity and limitation, but it's time for us to pivot. It's time for us to embrace a new paradigm, one where we see wealth as a tool for creating positive change in our lives and the lives of others. We must break free from the shackles of limiting beliefs and embrace a mindset of abundance and possibility. Imagine the transformative impact if more people adopted this mindset. If we collectively decided to redefine our relationship with wealth and success, we would witness a seismic shift in the way we approach building generational wealth. We would create more opportunities for ourselves and for others. We would foster a culture of abundance, innovation, and impact. But this shift won't happen on its own. It requires each and every one of us to take bold action, to educate ourselves financially, and to develop the skills and strategies needed to turn our dreams into a living, breathing reality. So my challenge to you today is this: decide if you're ready for a change. If you're tired of operating in an uncomfortable space, if you know deep down in your soul that you deserve better, then it's time to take action. You are the only person who can dictate the direction of your life. You have the power to create the wealth and the impact you desire. But it starts with a choice to believe in yourself, to invest in yourself, and to take bold, unapologetic steps towards your goals. It's time to step out of your comfort zone and embrace the discomfort that comes with growth and transformation. In a world that often tells us to play small, to settle for less, I stand before you today to declare that you are worthy of abundance. You are capable of creating a legacy that will impact generations to come. The path to wealth is not always easy, but it is always worth it. So let us redefine our relationship with money and success. Let us embrace our power to create change. And let us build a future where financial freedom is not just a dream, but a reality for all. The choice is yours. The moment is now. Let us seize it together and create a world where wealth is not just for the select few, but for every single person who dares to dream big and take action. Together, we can unlock the wealth within and create a legacy that will stand the test of time.